If you want to build a real-world asset tokenization platform, then you have come to the right video. A real-world asset tokenization platform allows investors to own fractional shares of physical assets using blockchain technology. Think about it like this. You can invest $100 in a $5 million real estate property in New York. You can own $50 worth of a gold bar in Zurich. Or you can own a fraction of a multi-million-dollar artwork in Paris. Blockchain makes this possible by breaking large, illiquid assets into small, tradable digital tokens. Now here's where most founders go wrong. They try to tokenize every asset class at once. Real estate, commodities, art, collectibles, debt, all on day one. That fails. In this video, we'll show you the essential features, realistic costs, and how to launch whether you're tokenizing real estate in one city, commodities across a region, or financial instruments nationwide. The US and Canada hold over $45 trillion in real estate and $12 trillion in government bonds. Most of that wealth is locked. You can't sell a bedroom for an emergency or invest $100 in a single building. Here's why the opportunity is massive. The tokenized real-world asset market sits at $20 billion today and is projected to hit $16 trillion by 2030. Institutional investors are already moving. BlackRock launched tokenized treasury funds. JP Morgan is tokenizing bonds. Banks are racing to put traditional assets on blockchain because tokenization solves the liquidity problem. But here's the interesting part. Most asset classes are still untokenized. Rental properties, farmland, commodities, private debt, wide open for specialized platforms. With Banking-as-a-Service API now accessible, blockchain infrastructure mature, and AI handling compliance, the technology barrier is gone. This is the perfect time to launch a platform targeting one specific asset class. One company that proved this model works is Figure Technologies. Founded in 2018, they started with one asset class: home equity loans. But here's what made them different. They solved the connection problem between legal ownership and digital tokens. First, they created legal structures to own the actual loans. Second, they built software to create and transfer digital tokens. Third, they built verification systems to prove the loans and tokens always matched. That infrastructure took 3 years to build. But once it was live, they originated over $17 billion in blockchain-based loans and hit a $3.2 billion valuation in 5 years. If you're ready to move fast, the link is in the description. Share your target asset class, your geographic focus, and any compliance questions you have. Our team will reach out within 24 hours to discuss your platform. Or if you want to see how tokenization platforms work first, let's continue. Let's take a walkthrough of a real estate tokenization platform designed to make property investing more accessible, transparent, and flexible. When users log into the platform, they land on the dashboard. This gives an instant overview of their investment activity. Here, users can see portfolio performance, asset allocation, and recent activity at a glance. Scrolling down provides a clear snapshot of how their investments are performing and what's currently happening across the platform. Next, we move to the marketplace. This section displays all active tokenized real estate properties available for investment. Users can browse properties that are already listed on the platform and filter them based on location, property type, minimum investment amount, target yield, risk level, and investment status. This makes it easy for investors to discover opportunities that align with their financial goals. Clicking on a property opens the asset details page. Here, users can view key information, such as expected annual yield, minimum investment required, token price, funding progress, and property location on the map. An investment calculator helps users understand how many tokens they receive based on their investment amount and the estimated annual income they can generate. Detailed sections cover property overview, projected returns, legal and ownership structure, associated risks, and recent updates related to the asset. From here, users can proceed to invest. On the investment screen, users can enter an amount manually or select preset options such as $5,000, $10,000, $25,000, or 50,000. The platform dynamically updates estimated returns based on the selected amount. Users can choose a funding source, such as their platform wallet or a bank transfer, with clear timelines shown for each option. Payment methods are displayed based on the user's enabled preferences. Next is the portfolio section. This provides a complete view of all investments, including current value, total tokens held, income earned year to date, net returns, and overall performance percentage. Visual charts show portfolio growth over time, while asset allocation breaks investments down by property type, such as residential, commercial, or mixed use. Recent portfolio activity is also displayed for quick reference. Moving on to income and payouts, users can track total income earned, last payout amount, upcoming payout dates, and average yield. An income timeline graph shows payout history across properties, and users can view upcoming distributions and selected payout methods. Payouts are transferred directly to the user's linked bank account. The platform also includes a secondary market, where users can buy or sell property tokens. This section displays listed tokens available for purchase, recent trades, price trends, and market indicators. Users can list their own tokens for sale, or acquire additional tokens from other investors, providing flexibility and liquidity within the platform. Next is the Reports section. This acts as a secure document library where users can access investment reports, legal documents, and financial statements. The latest reporting period and most recent updates are clearly indicated, ensuring transparency and easy record keeping. Finally, the Settings section allows users to manage their account. This includes account and identity settings, security and access controls, AI asset controls, AI transparency options, notifications, preferences, and audit logs. These settings help users maintain control over both their account and how the platform operates in line with governance standards. With that, we come to the end of the walkthrough for the real estate tokenization platform. Let's take a walkthrough of the admin panel for the AI-powered real estate tokenization platform. Administrators begin on the dashboard, the command center of the platform. It provides an instant overview of active offerings, total assets under management, tokenized value, verified investors, pending KYC cases, payout dues, and AI raised risk flags. The dashboard also shows funding activity, KYC funnel performance over time, and volume trends across monthly, quarterly, and yearly views, supported by AI-driven insights. Next is Properties and Offerings, where administrators manage all listed and upcoming tokenized assets. Properties can be filtered by status, reviewed in detail, and added to the platform, giving admins full control over the supply side of the ecosystem. Closely linked is the tokenization flow, which manages the complete life cycle of converting a property into digital tokens. This includes financial data, legal structures, token terms, documentation, and media assets. Each asset moves through defined stages, such as under review or approved, while AI scorecards monitor progress and flag risks before launch. The Investors and KYC section provides visibility into total investors, KYC queues, AI efficiency scores, and processing timelines. Administrators can review verification workflows and ensure both investors and assets meet regulatory standards. In transactions and ledgers, all platform activity is tracked across daily and historical views. Advanced filters allow detailed analysis, while AI-powered anomaly detection monitors real-time transactions to prevent misuse and ensure regulatory integrity. The distribution section manages investor payouts. Administrators can review schedules, amounts, and statuses, while AI validates calculations and flags irregularities. Next is Secondary Market Oversight, where admins monitor token trading activity, including buy and sell orders, liquidity metrics, market depth, price trends, and trade history. AI continuously safeguards market integrity and regulatory compliance. Compliance and risk management ensures adherence to jurisdiction-specific regulations. AI tracks behavior, transactions, and workflows, raising alerts if any attempts are made to bypass controls. The Reports and Documents section acts as a centralized repository for financial reports, legal documents, disclosures, and property updates, with AI assisting in organization and version tracking. At the core is the AI Control Center, where administrators define AI behavior, thresholds, and governance rules based on regional regulatory requirements. Finally, Settings and Roles manage internal access, role-based permissions, audit logs, and system activity tracking, ensuring transparency and secure operations. With that, we complete the walkthrough of the admin panel. That's how a real-world asset tokenization platform works from the inside. If you want to build this for rental properties, commodities, or private debt, here's how we can help. At Code Brew Labs, we've spent over 12 years building software and apps, specializing in AI-powered platforms and blockchain infrastructure. We've worked with clients across North America, Europe, and beyond. For RWA tokenization platforms, we can design, develop, and deploy your working platform in 45 to 60 days. Click the link in the description to schedule a free strategy session. We'll reach out and help you navigate regulatory requirements, choose your blockchain architecture, and give you a clear roadmap to launch. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more insights on building blockchain-powered business platforms.